Hi guys! So this week we are starting on our portfolios. Really exciting stuff. What we're going to be doing this week is designing our mood boards. One thing I need you to keep in mind when you're designing from now on in PS, whether it's your illustrations, your mood board, anything that you're going to bring in, we need to start working with the artboard that's based on the web page. So what I need you to do is do File, New. You can click on Web up here and just use the most common and create. And then what you're going to do is start creating your mood board here. This is the size that we need it to be. Whether we shrink it down or not, that's fine. But if we were working on the 8.5 by 11, we're going to have a lot of white space on the sides. So I just want to be sure that when you're designing your mood board, you're designing the board to be the web page. Most common. Okay? Now, what I'll do is to show you a few examples. So let's take a look at the mood board. Here, I laid out what the portfolio is going to have in it, and basically each of these is one page, right? So we're going to have our home page. I started on mine just to give you an example. So here I have my home page, right? I designed my little logo. I added an introduction page. Here's where my mood board's going to be, my collection with all my illustrations. I added my flats page, and then in the end, I'm working with Budo on this, but I'd love for you guys to do a technical package here. We're going to see after your collections when we can do this, but I think it would be really great for you to have that here. We're also going to add, I have to do that, the contact page. The contact page is going to be the last page with all of your information and a link to your resume. So I'll just have to add that. Here in portfolio website, I have links. This is under course content, portfolio website. And I just want to go over a few different types of mood boards with you. I'd really like these to be clean and professional looking. I don't want a lot of dark backgrounds because it's just going to distract. It really is going to set the tone of your collection. So aesthetically, it should match your collection. This is a great one. I like how they just added a little color here. I personally prefer to have a little color swatches, but that one doesn't have it. I don't really like this layout with the flats and the illustrations. What I'd like to see is just the 5 illustrations here on one page, like here, and then on the next page we're going to add your flats. It'd be great if you had like one technical sketch. I will help you guys with these. I have examples. I'll put them on the website. It just shows whoever you're interviewing with that you know really how to detail a garment and how to execute it from a sketch to an actual prototype. And let's take a look. I don't think they have anything else down here. Sorry if that's getting you dizzy from me scrolling. I wanted to show you one that I really liked from here. I think this is a beautiful layout. Sorry about all the scrolling. I don't particularly care for this mood board with the sketches and the arrows and all of that inspiration. This on the side, on the left-hand side with the photos, great. I don't particularly like that. It looks like you're just designing something that you pulled up from a catalog. I love this. I like the background. I love the photos. So that's the inspirational mood board. This is what I'm looking for. Your illustrations all on one page. See how it works together? Start thinking about maybe adding a little background, and then we're going to have your flats. I don't need you to color them in. If you want to, I will leave that up to you, but it is not necessary, nor is it expected. And I did find, do we have any of those? I'll put a link on for some neat mood boards that I think you could use as inspiration. So really have fun with this. Don't forget, the most important part is to have the right page in PS when you're working. And that's really it. Come see me, ask me any questions that you may have. Lab is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And that's it. Enjoy the rest of the break. Have a great holiday for those who are celebrating, and I will see everyone on Monday.